Okay, don't say that I didn't warn you.
Good evening, my name is Elle. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're gonna do a pantry clean out, and I just got out of the shower and my hair's still a bit wet and I'm in my cozy PJs, so it's gonna be more of a relaxed video and I've got a lot to do. It's really messy, but that's what you came for.
Okay, don't say that I didn't warn you, but like I've said before in other videos, when my house gets messy, it gets really messy, and this is what we're working with. It's completely overwhelming if I just try to sit and do it on my own, but with you here to help, I can do this. Accountability, it's a good thing. I'm starting this pantry clean out with wiping everything down with a clean wet rag. I'm adding this black masking tape as a temporary solution so that I can add items to the shelf without anything sliding around. So far, I have a ton of pasta up there. It's basically enough pasta to last a smaller family 5,000 years, but for us, that actually won't last that long. And so this liner was sticking out, and I ended up sticking some tape on here to kind of hold it there, especially when I'm putting items on there. I don't want it sliding around. But it doesn't look great because it's black, and as soon as I find some clear tape, I'm gonna go over that with that. But for now, I didn't want to be stalled in my project just because I can't find that tape. So this is where we're at right now, and this is my giant pile still, and I'm showing you guys the real thing because this is really how it is. And this we use as a side pantry here. So it has a lot of canned items and kids charts for rewards. But I'm thinking of trying to get all of this into here as well as that, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it. So that's sort of my personal challenge right now. I'm gonna see if I can. And then I want this to be a linen closet like it was in the past, and that is currently the linen closet, but it is for another video because it is a huge mess, and that will be really satisfying to do when I get there. But for right now, this is what we're working with for the amount of food.
lot, a lot. 7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country. Every cell screams stay right here, and my legs they freeze as in fear. We got time after this, but I'll need you as my brightest light. Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
If you like to see big messes get cleaned up, would you mind subscribing for me? That would be a huge encouragement. Thank you so much.
And if I can't see you, I lose my mind. I like to be with you all my time. And I miss you so much, the pain won't stop. It's the only thing I think about is.
All right, as I've been working in here, I'm realizing I'm gonna have to reorganize this again because I tried to do it like a grocery store. So I had the spaghetti here, the small spaghetti here, you know, elbow noodles there, rice here, but everything is just really close together. Since it goes up so high, I was trying to stack higher versus out, but it's putting a lot of weight right here. The shelf is super solid and it doesn't feel like it's buckling or anything like that, but I do want to just spread it out a little bit. And right now I'm thinking of doing like meal making stuff up here, like rice and pasta, and then baking stuff down here. I want to get my cans in here, but cans end up being really heavy, so I'm wondering if I should put them on the floor. Although these shelves are really solid and they've held lots of cans over the years. But I don't know. And I'm thinking snacks should be right there, really easily accessible for little ones. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is reconfigure this section here to see what I can do.
I got the curtains down. Every day is so long. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. We got time after this, but I need you like my brightest light. Even in the day I remember I'm here.
got the peas and beans up there. I've got the lentils up there too, and all the rice and pasta. And I even put some Parmesan cheese up there. And this is like a bagged chili and a bagged beef stew. And that is tuna fish too, and salmon. And down here, I got this box from one of the sets of cans that they have at the grocery store. And I'm just reusing it so that the little onion papers don't end up all over the place. And then we have a row here of vinegar and a row here of different kinds of oil. I've got avocado oil in the back, olive oil here. I've got coconut milk, coconut oil. I've got broth here and some little meal making things here. And then it sort of gets into the baking here. I've got, you know, sugar here, and these are dried fruit like cranberries and raisins. And this is cornmeal. It's a really good organic cornmeal, and oats, and then some just baking mixes. My kids really like to just grab a box of cake and make it for different occasions. And this is still really empty. Look at this. Not only did I get all that food that was in the hallway off the floor, thankfully, this is really empty, and I didn't think I'd be able to fit it all. And I even have a pretty empty shelf over here. This I plan to put popcorn in. So I'm actually planning to go to Costco for the first time in like 10 years. And if they have a good amount of popcorn, I can put it in that. Over here we have pistachios, walnuts, almonds, and then some little crackers, oyster crackers for, you know, soup or chili. And then I've got trail mixes here, and a row of peanut butter, a row of jelly, and down here is some pickles. I wasn't sure where else to put those. But I'm probably gonna fill this stuff up with a grocery haul coming up. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe and keep an eye out for that. And I was able to fit all of the cans on the ground. And I know that seems kind of odd, but as long as, see how if I walk up to it, you know, they're not really sticking out. So it's not that, you know, they're pretty far back behind this shelf, so it works. And I just did, you know, like canned salmon and tuna fish and kind of going around. We got soups over there, and then vegetables, and then we got beans, and then fruit over there, and tomato sauce there. This basket here is going to be for snacks and things like that. And check this out. This was that side pantry, and it's empty. Well, except for this roll. I may put some of that on the shelves or not. I'm not sure yet, but I still have their little reward charts. But yeah, so I did it with your help. Thank you so much for tagging along with me. Let me know in the comments if you are working on a project at the same time. It always works out better when we work together, so I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Bye.